Hey everyone, how's it going? So I haven't done a surprise fold for a while, so I thought I'd show you guys how to do one today. So to begin with our surprise fold, we want to fold our paper in half. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it just like you would a card, line up the corners, and then just fold it down right here along the edge. Then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it this way, and I'm going to take my paper and I'm just going to fold it down to here, and I'm just going to go right across the edge here. And this way we have a nice little fold. And you can always turn it up this way as well. Totally your choice. I might try this way because I haven't done one of these in a while. So we're going to make like a really cool Godzilla versus Ghidorah surprise fold. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with Godzilla's face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw his eye. So I'm just going to start by drawing a line that just kind of goes down and then up like this, kind of like a check mark shape. And then I'm going to make an oval shape right around here in the eye. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes up for kind of like his eye ridge. And then kind of starting here by his eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and over like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it down right to that fold. Then I'm going to take this line and just kind of connect it up to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for his nose. And then it'll kind of go right into here. Then right here, right along the edge, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go right across here. It's going to kind of curve up into here a little bit. And then starting back here, I'm just going to connect this line and I'm going to go out and then I'm just going to kind of bring it back a little bit. And then I'm going to draw it right to the edge here. Now right under here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve back here, kind of like where his lip would be. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down and then it's going to kind of curve up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up to here. And then I'm just going to connect it up here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and curve up. And then I'm going to add a couple more that go right to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back and kind of curve around here just for part of his eye. And then I'm going to make a nice line that's going to curve down here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go right around here, leave some space in between it. I'm going to kind of connect this and add a little curved line here. Then I'm just going to add another little line that goes right along here. And just add a couple little details underneath his eye. Add a little circle shape right here, a little circle inside of it, kind of color that in for his pupil. Then I'm just going to add a couple little lines kind of right around his nose. A couple little curved lines right around his face. Add a few lines kind of right around his jaw. Make a couple little lines right up here. Add a couple little curved lines right up here, and then I'm going to add a few lines going right around here just to kind of make some wrinkles. Show that he's got like a really scaly texture pattern on his face. Going to add a little kind of line right around here for like the top lip. And then just a couple little kind of curved lines right around his face. A few more lines right around here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines kind of all over the place, just for some little details. Add a few more little lines kind of around here. Add a couple little bumps right along the top of his head for like some spikes. I'm going to kind of color in this area just a little bit, kind of show where the nostril is. And kind of curve this right around here. Add a couple little lines right around his eyes, a few more kind of on the top as well. Add a few little kind of partial circle shapes just to show like some scales and texture. And just kind of add little lines all around here, just for some little details. I'm going to make the line by his mouth a little bit darker just so we can kind of have a little more detail here. Apologize for the cat walking through. Excuse me, Miami. Thank you. Okay, so we kind of got like our Godzilla shape going over here. Just kind of add some more lines if you want to. Just kind of be creative. Then what I'm going to do is on the other side, I want to add Ghidorah. So I'm going to kind of start right here, and I'm just going to draw his eye. So I'm going to kind of line it up with Godzilla's, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and that's going to curve up like this, kind of like a little check mark. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and up for the eye. Then I'm going to take this line, just kind of curve it up for the eyebrow. Draw this line, it's going to go down, kind of curve up like this. A little bump right here for the nose. Curve it right down to here, where that fold is. And then I'm just going to kind of run a line right along the edge of the fold. Now I'm just going to kind of curve it up here a little bit. I'm going to add an extra little line right there. I'm going to add a little line, it's going to kind of curve back for the nostril. A little line is going to go around the top too. Then right underneath the fold, I'm just going to add a little line, it's going to go right along here for the lip. Then a little line that's just going to kind of come down. And then it's just going to kind of curve up here, run right up to the fold. Then it's going to just kind of curve right around there. Then, starting up here, I'm going to just draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up for the top of his head. And then we don't have all the room for his spikes or his horns, so I'm just going to draw them right up here towards the top. I'm going to have a little line that's going to kind of curve here, and it's going to come back for another one of those spikes that are out of his face. Add another one right here. Kind of draw a line up here to kind of show where that one's going off. Going to add another couple lines here for some more spikes. And then another one down here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a few little kind of curved lines like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up or out and then down. Draw a little line kind of underneath his eye. I'm going to draw another little line back here for another horn. Then he's got a few little spikes on the top of his head, so I'm going to make a few of these. They're going to get a little bit bigger as they go back. Add a couple little curved lines right around here. A couple little extra lines right around his nose. And then he's got a lot of like little lines kind of running around his face here, so I'm just going to put a few around there. A couple little extra lines kind of running around by his face, a little line there. I'm going to add a little spike down here, and then I'll put a little second one underneath it. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines kind of right around these spikes here, just to kind of show where they're kind of sitting in the skin there. Add some little kind of spike shapes right around here, just to show some like the little spikes all over him. Going to add some kind of long lines, kind of some broken lines too, right around those horns and those spikes. I'm going to add like some curved lines around here. And when you add these curved lines, that's just going to kind of help make it look like it's a little bit rounder and everything. They're not so like flat looking. Add some extra little lines right around his face too, above his eye. Make some bumps and everything. Make a few more little lines kind of around his face. Add a couple little kind of like lines like this, just kind of help make it look like he's got like a scaly snake pattern on him. A few more little lines kind of around his face here. Make this a little bit darker by his mouth. I'm going to add a little bit of a black line underneath the fold too for his mouth. Some more little lines around there. And then I'm going to give him kind of like a little bit of more of like a curved pupil, a little bit more like a snake. Okay, so we got Godzilla and Ghidorah looking at each other. So now when we open it up, excuse me, Miami, thank you. Now I want to add all of the details in the middle here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of darken up this line right around here underneath the fold of both of them. And then right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of bring this down to here for Godzilla's mouth. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit and then just kind of connect it to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of draw this line down. Just going to kind of bring this line up above a little bit and then down like that. Then I want to add some of the teeth in here. So we're going to start off with Godzilla. We're just going to add some of his kind of sharp teeth all along the top. Make them some different sizes and everything. Do some right along there. At the bottom, then we'll add some with Ghidorah. I'm going to make part of this line come down a little bit lower. And then he's got some of those big fangs in front. And then we're just going to add some kind of like crooked, jagged, sharp teeth in here. Do the same thing down here. Just kind of add some of those different shaped, jagged teeth all over. Different sizes. Then I'm just going to kind of bring this line up here. Same thing over here, just kind of bring this line up. Kind of run this one down. Just going to kind of add some extra little lines kind of all over the place here. Same thing over here, just kind of add a few little extra lines kind of going all over. Maybe a few more lines for like some spikes and different things. Then I just want to kind of make it look like he's got like the fire coming out of his mouth and then he's got all the lightning coming out of his mouth. So what I'm going to do is, just for his atomic breath, I'm going to just kind of make like a little wavy line that's just kind of going right to here. Do the same thing, just kind of real kind of jagged zigzag all over. Then right here, I'm just going to make kind of more of like the lightning shape. So I'm going to make a lot of these kind of crazy zigzag lines here, and then I'm going to keep them a little bit closer together. Have a few, you know, like kind of crazy lines coming all over. Add a few more right here. I'm going to put like 3 lines of it in here, because his are a lot more like skinny little lightning bolts, where Godzilla just has like one great big burst of fire. And then I'm just going to make kind of like a little crazy line right around here where they all kind of, you know, meet and come together. Going to put a few extra little lines right around there. Then over here I'm just going to add a few more little details onto Godzilla's face. Some more little lines kind of coming down here. Same thing with Ghidorah, it's just a few little lines all over the place. And there you go. When you close it up, you've got your Godzilla and Ghidorah staring each other down. And then when you open it up, you've got them each blasting each other with their dangerous either atomic fire or their lightning bolts. Now, I'm going to start coloring this, and I'm going to fast forward it. Hope you guys like this video. Keep throwing out ideas if you want me to draw certain things or new things. I know I don't always get to all of them, but please keep sending me ideas. Let me know what you want to see. I'm always trying different things. And thanks for watching, and make sure if you guys are liking these videos, you are hitting that subscribe button. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.